Ah, they are still small. That's why they make it big. Look. They are now full. Yeah, they're full now.
Is that once a day you throw that in, or twice?
These ones get once a day. They get about 30 kilos a day.
They're smaller, aren't they?
Yep.
Than those ones.
Yep, these are our biggest fish. So these are the ones we use for breeding.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's for breeding.
There's only about 200 in here, but there's about 800 in here.
Is this 800?
So they go down to Timaru, don't they, the factory? Or do you ship them whole down there?
For selling the fish.
Or for processing?
We do all our processing.
Oh, you do it here? Well, what do they do at Timaru, at
It would
Washington?
be Mount Cook Salmon, the other company.
Oh, well, what's this one? Oh, this is high
High
country.
Yeah, so we do all our processing.
Oh, they're Mount Cook salmon.
At that Mount Cook
Oh, well,
there.
is there a thing up here where they breed them? Or?